You can start now.
Have you ever made a mistake in your life? Everyone makes mistakes, and no one is perfect. Hi everyone, I'm Jya Ning, an 11-year-old girl, and this is my story. A few months ago, my teacher asked me to compete in a drawing competition. I drew a drawing, but my mom thought it wasn't good, so I drew another. But my teacher thought it wasn't nice. I drew it again and again, but I just couldn't make a perfect drawing. When I drew my ninth drawing, I completely lost hope. Frustrated. However, my friends were there for me and supported me all the way. I was determined, and on my 10th drawing, my mom and my teacher loved it. Of course, I love it too. My teacher told me that I'll receive a trophy next week. I was on cloud 9. Another time, I was sewing a little beanbag for my class project. After I sewn 3 sides, I poured in the rice and started to sew the top. That's when I realized there was a hole and the rice was falling out. I tried to mend the hole, but was unsuccessful because I didn't sew the cloth properly. I was disappointed and doubted myself. Maybe I do not have talent in sewing. That's when my teacher encouraged me to make another beanbag. I was excited and hopeful that this will turn out right. She told me that mistakes are proof I am trying. This experience taught me that mistakes are helpful and there are no shortcuts to success. We must work hard to succeed. When you fail, don't give up. When you succeed, don't be arrogant. Reach for your dreams and learn along the way from your failures and mistakes. Thank you.